All right, so we have the Recia Cultivator, and I've been trying a few things with it, and this is my latest effort. And I have been doing around the garden a bit. You can see the areas that I've already passed, and it's pulling weeds up. And I'm just going to show you now a couple things that I've already noticed. Do need a weight. There's my makeshift ballast in the front, but whatever works, right? And the two wheels beside each other, well, I think one thing that I would do next is move the one wheel to the other side to balance it out, because quite frankly, it's that one corner, that far end, that was always digging in and stopping the machine from rotating, so it does need another wheel on that side. Anyway, I'll give you a quick demo. It is working, like I said. Maybe not perfectly, but I'm gonna go very slow because I'm trying to do this while filming. And one thing I should say is that we're using the nab for such a big machine. The advantage of the nab is that the wheels can get very narrow, which helps to get between plants. Alright, so here we go. It is hard to do one-handed because you're trying to, guide it and stuff, and it's pretty hard to do one-handed. But yeah, definitely got to move one of the wheels over, and that way I think it's tipping almost to the right over here. So that hopefully will correct that. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.